teacher knows best where his students make mistakes and compromise on their marks and chances. So let's start with our new series, Common Mistakes Made by Students in IPMAT Exam. To get more such guidance, you can visit our website and join our pre-recorded, live or classroom courses.
Hello students, welcome to the video of Myprepway's Quantitative Aptitude Conceptual Learning. So in this video, we'll talk about some common mistakes that you people make while solving the questions of quantitative aptitude. Particularly in this video, we'll talk about the number system. So in number system, one mistake that I want to make you realize today in this video is the difference between the unit digit and the remainder. So the thing is that whenever you want to calculate the unit digit of 2 to the power suppose 17, and whenever you need to calculate the remainder of 2 to the power 17 divided by 7, suppose, right? These are just two questions that I've taken. So these are completely different questions. And I've seen a lot of students doing the mistake of calculating the remainder of this 2 to the power 17 using the unit digit, okay? Although they look same, as you can see, 2 to the power 17 and 2 to the power 17 is common in both the questions, but still there's a lot of difference, right? You cannot determine the unit digit, the remainder of some number with the help of the unit digit, right? For example, in this case, if I want to determine the remainder, the unit digit is irrelevant. You don't need to calculate the unit digit of 2 to the power 17 to calculate the remainder, right? It would be a coincidence if the remainder, the unit digit is given by the remainder. It would be just a coincidence, and it happens in some exceptions, right? Let me explain this. So 2 to the power 17 की अगर आपको unit digit find करनी है, so how will you do this? You'll calculate the cyclicity, you'll arrive to the unit digit. I'm not explaining the cyclicities and all those formulae in this because that is a 15-minute or 20-minute topic at least, right? So I can't cover that topic in a 2-minute video. So the thing is that you calculate the unit digit of this by your own method, whatever method you have learned, and this will come as 2. You will calculate, okay, I'll take a different number so that you have some distinction between this. So I'll make it 19. I'll make both these numbers as 19. So 2 to the power 19, the unit digit would be 8. You can calculate it by your method as you want, okay? So 2 to the power 19, unit digit would be 8. 2 to the power 19 divided by 7, the remainder won't be 8. Or 8 divided by 7, the remainder is 1. So you can't calculate the remainder using the unit digit. The one remainder that you have calculated is actually wrong. ठीक है, let me repeat it in Hindi. 8 इसकी unit digit है 2 to the power 19 की, तो 8 को 7 से डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर 1 आया है, बट ये बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 2 to the power 19 का 7 से डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर 1 ही आए, ठीक है? अगर आता है तो वो भी एक कोइंसिडेंस है, कभी भी यूनिट डिजिट की हेल्प से रिमाइंडर नहीं कैलकुलेट किया जा सकता. इफ यू कैलकुलेट द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दिस, सो द रिमाइंडर फॉर दिस विल कम एज 2, राइट? यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट दिस विद योर ओन मेथड or the method that I have taught, right? But that method can't be taught in 2 minutes. Okay, so 8 divided by 7, remainder is 1, and 2 divided by 7, remainder would be 2, right? Obviously the remainder has come from that only. So you can see that there is a difference. This is 1 and this is 2. You can say that the remainder of this 2 to the power 19 when divided by 7 is not related to the unit digit of 2 to the power 19. These two are completely different concepts, right? Obviously you can see that if there is a number A7, right, and I divide it by 3, can I be sure, क्या मैं ये श्योर हो सकता हूँ कि A7 is some number digit, this is a 2-digit number, when this is divided by 3, can I definitely say that the remainder in this case is 1? Can I definitely say that remainder in this case is 1? No, we can't. So the thing is, that you cannot determine the remainder of any of the question just by using the unit digit of that question. And now comes the exceptions. When do we have the exceptions? When we have something like A, B, C, 9 and this is divided by 10, right? And now we have to calculate the remainder, right? So if 10 is in the denominator, then you can be sure that ABC kuch bhi ho, whatever the value of ABC be, 9 is the unit digit, and ABC 9 divided by 10, the answer would be, the remainder would be 9. Why that happened? Because the remainder by 10, see, in case we calculate the remainder by 10, 81 will give you the remainder 1, 92 will give you remainder 2, 45 will give you remainder 5, right? So we can determine the unit digit of a number when it is divided by 10. We can determine the remainder of a number using the unit digit when it is divided by 10 or when divided by 5. These are some exceptions. But instead of this, if I write 8 here, so we will not be able to determine the unit digit of this, the remainder of this, right? Using the unit digit. We cannot surely say that ABC 9 divided by 8, the remainder would be 1 only. No, this is not necessarily true. All right. So a lot of things we'll study in our classes, right? Online and offline as well, right? That is all in this video from my side.
Head over to our website and join Myprepway's pre-recorded or live course to watch the full lectures. Use coupon code MYPREP09 to get 500 off on all our courses.